But you know what? Feels like something is a little missing. Like, I don't know, just feels like I've eaten this like so many times before, and I just don't really feel like eating another burger again. And that's what it feels like with these superhero movies. And then you get something else. You get this chicken sandwich. Now, like the cheeseburger, this thing is similar, like it's a movie, but it's different. It's got different buns, got chicken. Let's just take a bite, and it's new. Oh. Now, if I do say so myself, that is one scrumdiddlyumptious